Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the most important steps to learn and practice in order to get better at sketching and show you my ebook and workbook. If you haven't grabbed your copy yet, the link is in the description below. Also, there's a coupon of 50% off, which is specially to my YouTube community. So after teaching to thousands of students, here are the 5 steps that will definitely help you improve your sketches. Warming up. Warming up is the secret ingredient for a successful start. Just like stretching your muscles is essential before a run to avoid injuries, a warm-up is great before you dive into drawing. When you spend a few times on simple training exercises, you are giving your lines the stability it needs. You are also allowing your brain to shift gears, getting into the right mindset for creativity. Your eyes and brain also need some time to awaken and align with your artistic vision. So we can say warming up is the bridge that connects your intention to your execution. Just a few minutes is enough to get started. Simple shapes. Every masterpiece begins with a foundation. Simplifying complex objects by breaking them down into more manageable parts is an essential technique. The first step in drawing from simple shapes is to identify the basic shapes that makes up an object. Look at things around you like a chair, a bag, a pencil, or a cat. Imagine how you would draw them using only circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. The more complex the object, the more basic shapes you will need to use to break it down. By understanding how to manipulate and combine these shapes, you can easily construct the framework for any object you want to draw. Perspective. Perspective is used to give 3 dimensions to a drawing because it allows us to see the depth in an image and understand the distance between the objects, making it more interesting than a flat image. Moreover, it captures how our eyes see the world naturally, which is not on a measured scale. I have a whole chapter about perspective drawing and also a lot of videos here on my channel. Easy sketches. You will need practice to learn how to draw simple yet essential elements that breathe life into your artwork. These elements are not only beautiful in themselves, but also help to create a sense of realism, character, and mood in your scenes. Sketching your surroundings is the key to completing the picture, so in this chapter, I explore step-by-step tutorials for drawing 4 fundamental components like trees, people, sky and clouds, and mountains. Shadows and highlights. Ever felt frustrated having worked so hard on a drawing only to find it still looks flat? Is it the perspective or proportions, maybe the composition? Whilst this all play an integral part, there is still one final step that will complete your drawing: shadings and highlights. Shadings and highlights are the art of creating light and shadow effects on your drawings. They are essential for creating realistic and 3-dimensional artwork as they show the shape, form, and depth of your objects. Without them, your drawing will look lifeless. The more I practice, the more I realize how important it is to understand highlights and shadow in drawing and painting. So, these are the 5 chapters of my ebook full of explanation and different examples. You can also print the workbook that comes with the ebook to try all the examples by yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and let me know in the comment which chapter you feel the need to practice the more. See you!